Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you the easiest way to install KODI app on your smart TV or Android TV. If you find the video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So as I said, I want to show you the easiest way to install the KODI application to your Android TV or smart TV. So how is that done? The first thing is for you to come over to this application called Downloader. Now, I'm not going to be showing you the fastest way. As I said, this is the easiest way, so watch to the end. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find the video helpful. So you launch Downloader. If you have a smart TV or Android TV, Downloader is one of the applications that you must have because this application is so helpful to Android TV and smart TV users in that it helps you search for any application, search for files from across the internet, you download it. It has like a browser and also a Play Store. But in this case, I'm going to show you a trick with it. Now, once you launch it, here's how it looks. The interface is very user friendly. And before I forget, if you don't have the application on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you get downloaded to your smart TV. After launching it, all you have to do is come to this box over here, and then you're not going to search in the application KODI. We're just going to type in a code, and here is the code. Pay attention to this code because it's very important. The code is 858541. So what does the code do? Once you click in this code and you click on go, it's just going to go straight away to installing the application that you're searching for. So pay attention to the code again. It's 85541. If you mistake the code, it's not going to work. And as you can see, it's going to go straight away to installing an application. And here's the application we're searching for. It's just going to start installing. And once it finishes downloading from here, it's going to ask you to install the application straight away after it's downloaded to your smart TV. And once you do, the application can start working on your smart TV or Android TV. Very easy. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. Now, once you try this on your smart TV, and if there is any issue, just write it down in the comment section and I'm going to reach out to you.